caught me when I started recording. Really, you little turd. Okay, let's see how this one be. Let's see how this one. Let's see how this one be. You're like, you have to see this video. Like, this is more crazy. No. Wow. You have to watch this video. The whole entire time that I was trying to snipe you, you were just like glitching all the way up to me, then you just stabbed me. Yes. Watch this.